Hello, this is a new After Effects project called Elegant Memories. This project consists of 8 scenes here, some text holders with the orange color, some distortion layers with the yellow color here, leaks, dust and color control with the gray color here. Let's go to place our own image here. Let's double click scene number 1. We can see these green layers. All these layers are placeholders. Select a placeholder we like. Let's double click this placeholder. Import a file, an image, and place it above. Scale it and position the image. Let's go to scene. Let's place a second image. Select the placeholder, double click the green layer, import the file, and place it above. This is how we are placing our images in the placeholders. As you see, this is the second picture. We close scene and the placeholders. Every scene has the green layers inside, which we double click and place above. That's how we are placing our images. Let's go to a text holder. By double clicking the orange layer text holder, we just edit the text and boom. If we like, we go to the text holders here and we duplicate the text holder in order to have another one. Of course, we can place the text holder according to our needs. The yellow layers, the distortion layers, have position keys which you can delete them or make your own keys here. Delete the keys here, place the distortion layer here, position, and have it passing from left to right. The keyframes in the right position, of course. So the distortion layer come from left to right, or maybe you can have it above the text. You may like this kind of effect. That's the text holders. And leaks and dust are controlled by the color controls layer. Here, in the color controls layer, you have several options to affect your project. The first is the background color. Let's say you like to have a red background here. Okay. Second is the picture frame color here, where you can have it in whatever color you like. Let's say we make it black, let's say. Next is the text box color. Here is the text box. this is the stroke color, where you can have the text stroke width as well. As you see here, you can affect the width of the stroke. Next is the text box opacity. You can have it more or less opacity. The text box color here, of course the text inside the text color. You can affect light leak color 1 and color 2 here. As you can see here, the light leaks has some red here and some blue. You can affect these at your desire, as well as the leak opacity and the leak speed, how they are moving. Here there is another option. This option is if you want to have all the images in the project tint. As you see here, the images lose their color, they are tint. What is the tint color if you want it like this? And finally, if you want some dust to make an atmosphere, here is a checkbox where you can enable the dust layer, which is here. Some particles without extra plugins are generated to give a unique atmosphere. Maybe you can't see right now the particles because it's a low resolution video. So that's all. This is the project. I think it's an easy one. We've seen how to place our images. We've seen how to change the colors here. A lot of possibilities to make a unique project according to your needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the project and rate it in your download section.